Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video, if you remember, we just create the functionality to create the tenants from here, right? So like, let me just create a new tenant. Let's say code daily. Let's say code daily dot. It's my format. It's multi tenant app.test, right? If I try to log in that tenant app.test, is this like this or CODE? Let me just copy. I think there is no hyphen in between this. Yeah, here we can see the user, right? So now in this video we are going to create let me just, I can quickly go through app and okay, so we don't have any users on this, so we have planned to add a functionality to create the users or manage user settings, roles, permission from this. So we'll just create on the upcoming video. So this video will be mainly focused on uploading the files in the multi-tenant. Okay, so there will be two ways, so I will make two videos for them. So first of all, today we are just going to upload in a normal way that we used to create on the normal filament application. That is, we'll just have a common storage system for all the images or any files system, right? So in the next upcoming video, what we will do is we will create the file system on the basis of tenant, meaning that the file URL will be linked with the tenant ID, right? So okay, so from that we can know that okay, this is the file of that particular tenant, so that way. So now okay, sorry, I just need to create the user, my bad. I think I need to add a seeder for that. Is there any no, sorry, I need to check seeders, but I have not created any seeders for this. So for now I'll just okay, here I have the one tinker user. I'll just create a new user manually from database, or let me just show you the way we can create from here, right? So I can open tinker and I can just initialize the tenant here. Okay, tenancy initialize, and we can pass the ID. So if you remember, if I do there, this is the ID of this tenant, right? Yeah, it returns null. So now if I will try user is to all, yeah, we don't have any user, right? So let me quickly create user, create, okay, name, okay, code daily, email, let me just keep tester there, test.com, and for oh my bad, okay, and then password is, let's say, bcrypt test, right? So I need to close this and I need to over this. I think it will, oh yeah, here now we have the user created. So just I want to show you is this way we can initialize the tenant on our own terminal too. Okay, let me just log in with that user app, and it's our test.com. If you see here, the username is daily, so it means we are just working perfectly, right? So now okay, let me just close this. So what I have done is just I have created a categories table. Okay, let me just show you my categories table. First of all, okay, there is name, logo, okay, it should be image, but I just kept logo. Okay, just forgot about that. Description, parent ID, created by and data, right? And if I go to category resource here, I think just not need to show in any details, right? So we have a name, and here is our logo, description, parent ID, which means same categories, right? And data, we have the key value here. And in the table I am just showing name, logo, parent name, created by that name. That is, if I go here in the category models, I have added the relation parent with itself and the created by to the user, store the user who created that particular category. Perfect. So besides that, there is a simple relation select field and other things are here, so I'm not going deep dive into that part. So but what we are going to learn is the path of case of image upload, right? If you go here, so here I have added the file upload logo, and its directory should be inside categories logos, right? So if I try to upload, let's say Momo, and I think I have a Momo JPEG, yeah, here it is. So if I will try to run, okay, great, yeah, here I am getting some issues. Okay, so currently the setup is on the basis of that, like we are uploading on the basis of tenant. So for this error, we are going to check this error on the upcoming video. So but for now, what we are going to do is, if you go here inside tenancy, here is my suffix based tenant, but here, yeah, here if here is a suffix storage path. It means that what we will do is, for every files we upload, it will create the URL on the basis of that. For to show you what I have done is, if you go check here in app service provider, here what I have done, when I have just created the event. So when I have just listened to the event, like there are the events that we can listen, you can check on this tenancy service provider, right? So whenever tenant is created, right, so what I have done, I have just created the directory tenant ID and framework cache. If you check it, here is storage, yeah, here is, maybe this is the current tenancy folders. So any files that will be uploaded is because Filament will try to upload the images on the basis of in the liveware component, right? So I'll have just added this, but this is not necessary for now. But for this, what we are going to do is, just remember this is for tenancy labels. But if I will do it, make it false, this is as normal way, right? So means here you can see disabling this will likely break local disk tenancy. Yes, this is what I want to show you in this video, right? So if we disable this, then the file will be uploaded as a normal, meaning on the basis of our system, like multi-tenant app.test/storage/some id. Neither there will be code daily or nothing. So let's try. Okay, if I go to category and let me just open okay, Momo, and this is here. Okay, let me create, yeah, it's created. If I go back, yeah, here we have, if I will just drag it, can I? Okay, it's opening on edit. Let me just check the URL of this. So here you can see it's our normal storage, right? Storage categories logs. It's not like it's not dependent on any types of IDs. So if you think, wow, these categories logs are here, this is because I have just added the path here, directory, so it will be uploaded in that way. So this is the normal way that we will be working, right? So but if we need the way for multi-tenancy, like if we make it true, that is on the basis of like this, right? Tenant underscore its ID, you can obviously change the suffix and that. So how we can upload this, so what's the best way to that, we'll be discussing in the upcoming video. I'll surely drop this video on maybe after 2 days or 3 days of this video. Okay, thank you guys.